And what happens with Indian IT? Because world over, the place to hide, it seems like in an uncertain environment, so to speak, has been tech. And I know that Indian IT is a different kind of tech because it's software, and a lot of it is the back-end services. But even so, what is your own view on how tech is shaping up in India?
So we are extremely positive on tech. This is the highest overweight in our model portfolio at about 300 basis points. And this has been the case for last 2 years now. And this has worked well for us so far. If you go by the commentaries of the companies, especially tier 1 IT from the quarter that has gone by, it seems that demand is accelerating very rapidly. They are actually struggling with supply. And that is why we are seeing a huge attrition in the IT companies. More importantly, what gives us comfort is the tremendous cash flows that they generate. 90% free cash flows are anyways returned to shareholders. So capital payout is very high here. So despite a relatively modest earnings growth there in the last 4 or 5 years, we have seen almost 30% compounded capital payout in these top 5 IT tier 1 companies. And because of that, we have seen a very good re-rating also in IT companies. I think the demand for the next 2-3 years because of this digital transformation and this entire movement towards cloud and IoT will keep the order books bulging for the IT companies. There can be some impact on margins in the near term because of as and when travel returns, as and when wage inflation picks up. But I think that is par for the course. As long as cash flows remain so strong and demand remains very, very strong, I don't think you're going to see a massive correction in IT stocks. So at every correction, we will look to add the IT names. And as I said, this is the highest overweight in our model portfolio for now.